Okay, well, here are some tips to build a cozy and artsy tiny home on wheels, interior and also the exterior. And then for the first aspect is about the interior tips, and it has several points. The first point is about the cozy colors. We know use warm cozy colors like beige, brown and taupe. And then for the second point is about the textile, and we can add throw blankets, rugs and pillows for warmth and texture. Then for the third point of it is about the soft lighting. We can use table lamps, string light and fairy light for ambience. Then for the fourth point is about the artistic touches. We can incorporate artwork, sculpture and also decorative elements. Then for the fifth point is about the plush furniture. We can choose comfortable plush furniture like oversized pillows and throws. Then for the second aspect is about the exterior tips. Then for the first point of it is about the colorful exterior. Okay, we can add paint the tiny home a bright cheerful color. Then for the unique details we can add decorative trim, shutter or railings for character. Then for the third point of it is about the outdoor space. Then we can also create a cozy outdoor space with a deck, patio or porch. Then for the landscaping we can add plants, flowers or trees to enhance the exterior. Then also the personalized sign. We can hang a personalized sign with our name or a special message. Then for the third aspect is about the design tips. We can use a cohesive design. We have to ensure the interior and also the exterior design reflect our style. Then about the creative storage, we can incorporate hidden compartments, great storage or multifunctional furniture. Then for the third point of it is about the functional layout. We can also design the layout that meets our needs and also our lifestyle anyway. Then for the fourth point of it is about the sustainable materials. We can use eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo or recycled materials. Then also for the fourth aspect is about the artsy element. I mean it was very important to achieve the artsy elements of our tiny home on wheels. Then we can consider about the mosaic art. We can add mosaic art or tile work for visual interest. Then for the second point of it is about the unique lighting. We can use a chandelier, pendant light or other unique fixture. Then about the colorful windows, it's very important also. We can incorporate stained glass or colorful windows. Then for the textile art, we can hang tapestries, macrame wall hanging and or other textile art. Then for the fifth aspect is about the cozy features. We can add the fireplace. We can consider adding a fireplace or wood burning stove. Then for the second point of it is about the warm texture. We can also incorporate wood, stone or brick for warmth. Then for the third point of it is about the comforting scents. We can use essential oil or scent candles for a cozy atmosphere. Then for the personal touches, it has a 2 point. Then for the first point of it is about the personalized decor. We can add family photos, heirlooms or collectibles. Then for the second point of it is about the custom features. We can incorporate custom features that reflect our personality in our tiny home, even on the exterior and also the interior and every single detail on our tiny home interior anyway. Okay, well, by incorporating these tips, you can build a cozy and artsy tiny home on wheels that feels like home.